say
2 hours, guys.
yes, just 2 hours. See. Hey guys, trying to find a winter getaway and do not know what to do, where to go and what to see, then we have got this all covered in this video. About me, I am Akshay Sabkal. I make videos on how can you get settled in European countries such as Germany. In today's video, we are going to show you one iconic location which is actually better during the winter, summers and throughout all the seasons, and which is really not of pretty much far. Also, one most important thing here is you can visit this place within your 49 euro ticket. So this place is known as the Eibsee, which you can already see behind me, which is pretty amazing location, and this location is already included in your 49 euro ticket. And talking about this location, so this location is situated not really far away from the Munich city center. So from Munich city center, I will also let you know how can you reach to this location. So from Munich city center, you directly get a BRB transportation, which is like a RB6 towards the Garmischer Partenkirchen, and from the Garmischer Partenkirchen station you can take a bus which is also included in your 49 euro ticket, and you can be here at this one of the iconic and prime location. And not only this is famous for the Eibsee, behind me of the mountains you can already see it is the highest peak of Germany, which is also known as the Zugspitze. And to go to the Zugspitze, on this direction you see there's a cable car going around me. So cable car is like additional cost to it, which is not covered in your 49 euro ticket, but I have already prepared another video how can you reach to the Zugspitze. The link is in the description. Do not forget to watch that video. So talking about this location, so as you can see already here, this is pretty much like a frozen lake behind me, and still it is super beautiful. And as you can see, it is bit of sunny, and today's Sunday, so we thought of just going outside and taking some sun bath. On top of that, visiting this iconic place. So let us show you around what can you do here in this location, and then we talk about the other parameters, why it is famous and what can you do, what are the activities are done here. So stay tuned, do not go anywhere. So first thing first, you can enjoy here by taking this stone and throwing on the water to see if it goes inside, and it doesn't, because you see the wall, I mean the layer of ice is super thick over here, so it is not the ideal time for you to get inside and do some swim activities. But yes, if you are a fond of ice bath, then this is one of the location for you, so that you can just simply go inside without paying any fees just like trying to save 20-30 euros when you go or when you want to take an ice bath outside. But yes, this is totally free of cost. You can have an ice bath here if you really are into this part, but I would not highly recommend to do this at this point of time, because it is super duper cold outside and it's pretty much frozen, so you might have, or you might hurt yourself. Perhaps I do not want this. Now we will try to see what is the second activity you can do here. So yes, the second thing you can do is like hiking over here. There are a number of trails which you can just simply take one of it and try to go to the end destination, because each trail has this unique point to see the Eibsee from the top view. So I would highly recommend to do the trekking, especially during the summertime. It is really amazing here. And yes, if you are short on time, then there is this trail which we are taking, and if you take the same trail within, let's
Just
say
2 hours, guys.
yes, just 2 hours. See, just 2 hours you will be able to see this pretty amazing view. Perfect. So that's something you can do, like you can assume more or less 2 to 3 hours for each trail. But yes, the view itself is super worth and amazing to be seen. So we will see you in the next activity. Well, not only you can do the hiking here, but also you can get your meals and have a picnic over here. And especially during the sunny days, let's say the summertime, this place is also used for a kayaking. As you can see, we already took an entire round, but still this entire lake is frozen, and here you can see people have got their food and they're having fun over here. So this is also one of the party place to hang out with your friends and family members, and this is a quick getaway from Munich. And especially when you're here, I would highly recommend you to note the return timings of your buses, so that it is pretty much important to keep a track on. Otherwise there are no alternative mode of transportation from here Eibsee to Garmischer Partenkirchen. So that's something you will have to keep it in mind. And yes, this is all in this video. If you have liked this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Auf Wiedersehen.